Riwruok mar ute od buche mag counties mano County Assemblies Forum obongo kotije od buche go ka obila oko manyo moyudo achiel kuomgi mosebedo kolal kuom ndalo 49. Ka gitwako jofwambo boma Nairobi, CAF ne owacho ni gin kod chich ni Dela Anole ward county ma Wajir Yusuf Hussein Ahmed nitie lwet obila. Hussein olal dwe mar 9 tok obila ma county ma Wajir ne oluonge mar dayo dhoge. Lal mare no biro mana ndalo 4 tok obila gwele gino ma CAF wacho ni okelo chich ni pod gin kode kata ging'eyo kama intiere. Mondo ochun owacho ni mondo mi ochun mondo mi omany kaka inyalo yude.
The abduction of this member of County Assembly, along with previous assaults, is an affront to the values of justice and democracy upon which our nation is founded on. We therefore demand that Honorable Mheshimiwa Yusuf Hussein Ahmed is released with immediate effect, failure to which all the 47 county assemblies shall shut down all the operations and sitting until such a time that Honorable Ahmed is produced.
The state in which the country is operating now, in which abductions and extrajudicial abductions and killing has become a norm, must come to an end. So we are fighting for the security of all Kenyans.
It is obvious that abductions are the way of life in this country, not yesterday, not today, for the last few months. The LSK has been on this case. Not this particular case of Wajir, but many other cases, including the Kitengela.
We truly are living in interesting times, but the joint partnerships that we are having as peace-loving and well-wishing Kenyans, together with the County Attorneys Forum, for sure we will make Kenya a place that is convenient and hospitable for us all.